Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we are going to learn names of sea animals.
Which sea animal is this? Octopus. Yes, this is octopus. Do you know this one? Whale. Good job. This is a whale. Which sea animal is this? Turtle. This is a turtle. Which sea animal is this? Seahorse. Great. This is a seahorse. Do you know this one? Crab. This is a crab. Which sea animal is this? Jellyfish. Yes, this is jellyfish. Which sea animal is this? Seal. This is a seal. Do you know this one? Starfish. Yes, this is starfish. Which sea animal is this? Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Which sea animal is this? Shrimp. This is shrimp. Do you know this one? Pufferfish. This is pufferfish. Which sea animal is this? Shark. This is a shark. Which sea animal is this? Clownfish. This is clownfish. Do you know this one? Walrus. This is walrus. Which sea animal is this? Stingray. This is stingray. Which sea animal is this? Angelfish. This is angelfish.
You have learned all the sea animals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.